Zwide kaLanga was the king of the Ndwandwe nation from about 1802 to around 1820. He was the son of Langa kaXaba, a Nxumalo king. In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, three influential leaders, King Sobhuza of the Amangwane, King Zwide of the Amanxumalo, and King Dingiswayo of the Mthetho, rose to power in present-day South Africa and Eswatini. These kings brought various clans under their control, often through warfare. King Zwide, in particular, gained dominance due to his military might, using both force and cunning ways to subdue rival kings. King Zwide employed not only brute strength but also supernatural tactics to expand his control. Alongside his mother, Queen Ntombazi, a powerful healer and witch, he orchestrated elaborate schemes involving his sister, Princess Maqinasi. The princess would infiltrate targeted royal households by befriending the daughters of rival kings. She used powerful traditional medicines that allowed her to cast a spell on the king by making eye contact. Once enchanted, the targeted king would unknowingly engage in non-penetrative sex with Maqinasi, believing it to be sexual intercourse. During this act, Maqinasi would collect the king's semen in a snuff box, which was then delivered via Queen Ntombazi's bed called Balande, to be used in powerful rituals. These rituals were believed to place the king under complete submission to King Zwide's authority. The final phase of the plan involved inviting the entranced king to visit King Zwide's kraal under the pretense of watching a maiden parade. Once inside, the unsuspecting king would be ambushed and beheaded. His head was displayed in Queen Ntombazi's ritual chamber and his body fed to her hyenas. The fallen king's clan would be absorbed into the Ndwandwe kingdom, further strengthening Zwide's power.